Good morning everyone and welcome to the Savi Trading Morning Update. I'm Rizwan Habib and today's the 12th of December 2011. Looking at the weekend highlights, we've had a weekend of largely negative news stories as the EU summit on Friday disappointed. It was seen that the measures were seen as a stopgap rather than solving the European issues. We also have fears that France could face an S&P downgrade, and this provided selling pressure from macro names and proprietary traders. On a positive note, we had a BIS comment stating that Italy would be able to manage an increase in borrowing costs so long as credit markets remain open. Continuing the negative theme, we also had articles from UK press, firstly from the FT, stating that the Bank of England could have overestimated the economic boost from quantitative easing, and then the Times estimating that the UK will see negative growth for the next 3 quarters ending in summer 2012. Looking at the Australian dollar, that remained under pressure following the fear of the European downgrades, as well as October trade surplus coming in weaker than expected at 1.59 billion Australian dollars versus 1.95 billion expectations, and we also had falls in gold and copper adding weight to the pair. Euro Swiss eased from Swiss 1 spot 23.87 to 1 spot 23.57, but the market remained on watch for a possible peg hike from the SMB pending their meeting on Thursday. And finally, looking at Japan, we had consumer confidence falling from 38.6 to 38.1 in October, with the Nikkei firming up around 1.5%. Looking at the day ahead, we start at 11 a.m. with one of the European highlights of the week, with the OECD leading indicators. Followed by this, at 2:30, we start the US data with the weekly M&I Capital Goods Index, and this is followed at 3:30 by the weekly Retail Trade Index. Finally, to finish off the day, at 7 p.m, we have the US Treasury statement due. Well, that's it for today. Hope you have a great day's trading and good luck.